It's time for the opening face-off for today's game. The face-off goes to Colorado. Here's Joe Sakic to Mazzaros. Now it's passed ahead to Heatley. One-time shot, just wide of the net. Heatley takes possession of the puck. That's blocked. Ottawa gets it. Quick up to Heatley. Down into the corner. Fires it right on! Theodore made the save. He passes the puck to Lyles. He steals the puck. And he passes it over to Mazzaros. One-timed it! And he whistled it wide of the net to Spezza. Missed by a mile. Heatley grabs it to Mazzaros. Now a quick pass up to Spatos. One-timed it! Theodore made the save! He passes it to Sakic, and he moves it into the attacking zone. Gerber's got it! He passes the puck to Eves. Fires it! He scores! And halfway through the first, they've got the game's first goal.
That puck was moving so fast, it just rocketed off his stick. I wouldn't want to be setting a screen in front of him.
Ottawa is full of confidence right now.
And that could carry them a long way in this game.
Into the slot. To Mazzaros. Shoots it from the slot.
Good work to keep the score tight.
Here's Andre Mazzaros. Here's Jason Spezza, who hasn't registered a shot on goal so far. To Daniel Alfredson. Easy stop for Jose Theodore. And he hangs on to the puck. They're getting ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to the Avalanche. Colorado gobbles it up. They gain the blue line on the attack. And over to Arneson. Shoots the puck. Blocked in front of the net. Fires one right on. He stopped them again. Gerber covers up for the whistle. Gerber made a good stop.
And that one looked like it might go in.
Avalanche take possession. Healy. To Heatley. Colorado has it now to Carlos. Oh, he hit the post. McLean. He scores, and we're tied at
1. Wrist shots are so much more accurate, and he's a master. He just sits back and waits for the goalie to commit.
The faceoff goes to the Senators. They bring it over the line. Sizzling shot. He misses. Here's Turgeon. Here's Marek Spatos, who's got one shot on net so far tonight. Colorado takes possession of the puck. He coughs up the puck to Vermette, and he carries the puck to center ice. Now he's in. He scores! Late in the first, they've got the lead.
His stick flexes so much as he loads that shot up. When he lets it fly, it just explodes off his blade.
Ottawa has come up with a late period goal.
An outstanding effort, and it gives them the lead.
Spezza won the draw. Here's Wade Redden. Hard shot. Dowd gets a hold of it. He passes it to Konowalchuk, and he carries the puck into the attacking zone. He gives the puck away. Under 2 minutes to go in this first period. Theodore saw that one all the way.
That shot never had a chance.
The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Avalanche.
One-timed it.
He misses. The Senators grab the puck. Puck is cleared by Mazzaros. And that'll be another icing call. The puck is about to be dropped. And the Avalanche win yet another faceoff.
One-times it from the slot. Gerber gets the blocker on it.
And he keeps his team up by a goal here late in the first.
This is a 2-1 game as the second period gets started. About to drop the puck. Out comes Turgeon. Here's Tyler Arneson, who's still looking for his first shot on goal. Shots are 6-5 for Ottawa. Passed over to Heatley. One-time shot. He scores to take a 2-goal lead here in the second.
That goalie had no chance on that one. It was a great pass. All he had to do was catch it cleanly.
This team hasn't shown much consistency.
Jim, it's their defense that's starting to look very suspect.
The faceoff goes to Colorado. Colorado wins the race and beats out the icing call. Quick shot from the slot. He scores! Joe Sakic answered back in a hurry.
Folks, this man is just a pure goal scorer. Pick a spot and Burnaby Joe will hit it 9 out of 10 times. That's pretty much a guarantee.
Their lead is slowly starting to get chipped away.
Not a good sign after such a fast start. Time for this team to focus on defense.
Flanks one. Gerber, blocker save. Turgeon just scores! That's a tying goal early in the second period.
Everyone knew the big slap shot was coming, but when it's taken with that kind of force and accuracy, hey, there's not much that can be done to stop that one.
Barely into the second period, and they've tied the game.
If they can build on that, Jim, they could dominate the whole period.
To Svatos. Now it's passed to Spezza. With a slap shot. Missed the net. Ottawa finds it. He steals it. He takes it into the neutral zone. They gain the blue line on the attack. Shoots the puck. That's blocked and didn't get through. That's icing. We're ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Quick shot! Hit the man in front of the net. The Senators move out to center. Here they come again, onto the attack. Into the corner he goes. Fires it from the slot. Theodore makes the save to John Michael Lyles, who played college hockey at Michigan State. To Brisebois. Colorado scooped it up. He intercepts it. Blasts it. Just wide of the net. Blocked. It didn't get through. Over to Konowalchuk. Bad angle shot. Just missed the net. To Heatley. Here comes the Avalanche quickly out of their own zone. Shoots it quickly. Gerber gets his stick on it. He intercepts the pass. Quick up to Konowalchuk. McCormick dumped the puck in to Dowd. Now a quick pass up to Vermette. Gets away a hard shot. Blocked. Here's Steve Konowalchuk to Pierre Turgeon. Now it's passed ahead to Turgeon. Shoots the puck. Gerber made the save. Here's Marek Svatos. Gerber's got it. Here's Joe Sakic, who has a pair of goals in this game, to Verada. Here's Tyler Arneson to Brunette. To Brunette. He moves it out. They gain the blue line on the attack. to Verada. Now it's carried into the zone. He picks off the puck to Joe Sakic.
Shot from the slot.
He scores, and they're up by one before the second intermission.
It's almost uncanny how the puck follows this guy on the ice. He always seems to be in the right spot at the right time. What a goal score.
Ottawa trailing by one late in the second.
They can't just hang on until the break. They need to try and tie this thing up now.
Face-off won by Turgeon. Here's Marek Spatos. Thunderous hit into the boards.
One-timer.
Steered aside by Theodore.
Oh, Jim, what a save to keep his team in the lead.
Over to Turgeon. Less than 2 minutes to go in the second period.
Slaps it. Blocked.
He scores! Late in the second, it's a 2-goal lead.
He got a lot of wood on that backhand. That had the speed and pinpoint accuracy of a wrist shot. What a goal!
In situations like this, you've got to start wondering about a team's intensity.
I'm with you, Jim. They should be on them as soon as they cross the blue line.
Ottawa will start the breakout. They move into the attacking zone.
Shoots the puck. Turned aside by
Theodore to Jason Spezza. Another stop. Wolski. Colorado is up by 2 as we get set for the third period.
That late goal was key. It gives them a little breathing room here to start the final frame.
And the Avalanche win yet another faceoff. Here's Tyler Arneson. Here's Joe Sakic, who already has a hat trick in the game, to Pierre Turgeon. Easy stop for Gerber. The Senators take possession. Here's Daniel Alfredson. He's had a good, hard-working blue-collar game. In behind, here's Marek Spatos. His hands are dirty. He's had a good, hard-working game. To Arneson. One-timer! Here's Marek Spatos. That's blocked and didn't get through. Ahead to Mazzaros. Here's Danny Heatley. What a gritty performance he's put on. Shoots the puck, and he's stopped by Jose Theodore. Brisebois clears it safely out. Picked off, here's Jason Spezza, who's got a goal in this game. He passes the puck to Eves. Now a quick pass up to Konowalchuk. Schubert clears it safely away. Ottawa beats out the icing call. Theodore turned the shot aside. It's picked up by Eves. He brings it over the line. McCormick. Now a pass up to Vermette. Rifles a shot. Schubert. He dumped it in. From behind the net, pass up to Konowalchuk. Here's Andre Mazzaros. Goes behind his net. Here's Wade Redden. He's had a good, hard-working blue-collar game. Gathering speed. Shoots quickly. Here's Joe Sakic. Out comes Turgeon. Offside, Colorado. Had he been on his forehand, the stick save wouldn't have been made. The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Here's Joe shot. Gerber makes the save. Senators take possession. Picked up by Ottawa. Colorado takes control. Gerber the save to Turgeon. Quickly another shot. Missed the net. Here's Andrew Brunette. He passes the puck to Sakic. Here's Joe Sakic. He passes it to Turgeon. One-time net. Great save, Gerber. Taken by Colorado. Another shot. The door is shut by Gerber. He passes the puck to Neal. Less than 2 minutes to go here in the third. Quick up to Brisebois. He intercepts the puck. Now he passes it to Schaefer. Oh, he hit the post. Theodore covers up. This guy plays the butterfly style to perfection. Gets his knees together and his feet wide apart and takes away the bottom of the net.
And he really works it to his advantage.
Face-off won by Arneson. We're down to the final minute of the third. To Brunette. Alfredson. To Heatley. Gerber will watch the rest of the game from the bench. Shoot, post! Another shot! Vannanen to LePerriere. Now it's passed ahead to Heatley. There's a quick shot that's blocked by the defender behind the net. Ahead to Brunette. Less than 10 seconds to go in the third. Shoots the puck. He tallies an empty net goal.
That should pretty much do it for this game. There's your proverbial icing on the cake.
A 3-goal lead late in the third. That's pretty much sealed the deal.
They've really showed what they're capable of tonight.
McLean wins the draw. Colorado will start the breakout. Intercepted to Eves, and that's the end. The Senators lost this game.
Tonight's first star, Colorado number 19, Joe Sakic.
From Denver, Colorado, that's it for another one. This is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson. See you next time.